Hi guys, I've put the rubber band powered car on a diet to try and remove weight. I'll show you what I've done. First of all, the front axle, I've replaced the bicycle spoke or the steel rod, the 2mm steel rod, with a fiberglass rod. That's actually one of the Kite spars out of one of the cheap kites. So that's reduced a bit of weight. So 13 grams there. Back axle, I've 3D printed the wheels and replaced the axle with a fiberglass spar. I've also reprinted this piece and knocked a few holes out of it, but I've also strengthened it at the back, so it should be a bit stronger because the other one broke after a bit of use. I haven't drilled the centre out yet because that won't fit the rod yet, so that'll be a tiny bit lighter, but that takes us up to 39 grams. Then we've got the carbon fibre rod, 46, and then I'm assuming we'll still need these rubber tyres. Oh dear, 49, 51, so we're just overweight still. I could shorten this carbon fibre spar a little bit. We don't need it to be quite as long as it is. It's gone up to 52 now. What's going on there? So, we had success. That was more of a struggle than it should have been. Clearly those rubber tyres that I'm using from old rubber gloves, they've got particularly good grip, because everything else I tried just didn't give us enough grip to get up the slope. But we made it. I will just go and weigh it again to check what weight it is now, because I weighed it without one of the tyres, didn't I, earlier? So we've got 2 tyres on there now. That's what I wanted. 50. And we went up the 1 in 3. I think because it's lighter, it's got less grip, so that's a problem. And we did have trouble with one of those rubber tyres breaking, but I glued it back together because I tried those rubber gloves and it didn't have the same amount of grip. I also tried latex gloves and they didn't have the grip either. So that'll do. That's bouncing between 50 and 51. So it's right on the limit, isn't it? Never mind, I'm going to say that's 50.